Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, how was your weekend?
Pretty good, actually. I didn't do much.
Nothing?
Well, I did a lot of nothing.
What does that mean?
I stayed home most of Saturday. I slept late, I had a slow breakfast, then I watched a movie.
That sounds pretty relaxing. What time did you wake up?
Around 9.
9? That's not too late.
For me, it is perfect.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 on weekdays, so 9 feels like a vacation.
I know what you mean. I like sleeping a little longer on weekends, too.
What did you do on Saturday?
I went out for coffee in the morning. Then I met a friend for lunch.
Where did you go?
A small restaurant near my house.
Was the food good?
Really good. I ordered pasta.
Nice. I love pasta.
Really? I thought you liked noodles more.
I like both. I'm an equal opportunity eater.
That's a funny way to say it.
I take food very seriously.
I can tell. So, what did you do after your movie?
I cleaned my room.
Wow, a productive weekend.
Not really. I found some old clothes. Then I spent 30 minutes trying them on.
Why?
I was deciding what to keep.
And?
I kept everything.
Dave.
What? Maybe I'll wear them someday.
That's what everyone says.
I might. One day.
What about Sunday?
Sunday was more active. I went to the gym in the morning.
Really?
Yes, I was proud of myself.
You should be. What did you do after the gym?
I got lunch with a friend. Then we walked around downtown.
Did you go shopping?
A little. I didn't plan to buy anything.
But...
I bought something.
Of course. What did you buy?
A new pair of shoes.
Did you need them?
Not exactly.
So you didn't need them.
I needed them emotionally.
Okay, that's new.
They looked really good.
Fair enough. Sometimes it's nice to buy something you really like.
Exactly.
So, overall, was your weekend relaxing or busy?
A little of both. Saturday was quiet. Sunday was more active.
That sounds like a good balance.
Yeah, I like weekends like that. I can rest, but I can also go out and do something.
I feel the same way. I don't want to stay home the entire weekend.
Really?
No, I get bored after a while.
I'm the opposite. I can stay home all day.
I know. But you said you wanted to try something different this weekend.
I did.
So what changed? You said you wanted to try something different. What did you want to do?
I wanted to go somewhere new. Maybe a place outside the city?
That sounds nice. Did you go?
Not on Saturday. I thought about it for a while.
Then Sunday morning,
I finally decided to go.
where did you go?
I went to a small park about 40 minutes from my house.
By yourself?
Yes, I wanted some quiet time.
I like that. Sometimes it's nice to spend a little time alone.
Exactly. I brought some water, my headphones, and a book.
Did you actually read the book?
Yes, for about 20 minutes.
Only 20 minutes?
Then I started watching people.
You went to the park to read a book and you watched people instead.
It was interesting. Families were having picnics, kids were playing, people were walking their dogs.
That actually sounds relaxing.
It was. I just sat there and enjoyed the morning.
Did you listen to music?
For a little while. Then I wanted some quiet.
I understand. Sometimes silence feels really good, especially after a busy week.
That's exactly how I felt. My work week was pretty busy, so I didn't want to rush anywhere.
What did you do after the park?
I found a small cafe nearby.
Of course, there had to be coffee.
of course.
What did you order?
And iced coffee and a sandwich.
Did you sit outside?
Yes, the weather was really nice.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
It was. I stayed there for about an hour.
Did you meet anyone?
No, but I called my friend. We talked for a while.
What did you talk about?
Our weekend plans and what we wanted to do next weekend.
Did you make any plans?
Maybe. We're thinking about going to the beach.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, but we haven't decided yet.
Why not?
Because we both like sleeping late.
Ah, that's a problem.
A serious problem. If we go to the beach early, we have to wake up early.
And neither of you wants that.
Exactly.
So, what happened after the cafe?
I went home. I took a shower, then I relaxed for the rest of the afternoon.
Did you watch another movie?
Yes,
Another one?
it was a different movie.
That doesn't make it better.
It was a good movie.
Okay, what was it about?
It was a comedy.
You really like comedies.
I do. After a long week, I just want something funny.
I agree. A weekend doesn't always need a big plan.
Exactly. Sometimes sleeping late, having good food, and watching a movie is enough.
That sounds like your perfect weekend.
Pretty much. But I think next weekend I want to do something a little more active.
Like going to the beach?
Maybe, but first,
I need to solve the sleeping problem. So, Dave, did you decide what to do next weekend?
Not yet, but I really want to go to the beach.
That sounds nice. What would you do there?
I would walk by the water, maybe swim a little, and probably eat something good.
Of course. You always think about food.
It's part of my weekend plan. Ha!
Fair enough. Would you go with your friend?
Yes, we might invite 2 more friends.
That could be fun. Do you usually spend your weekends with friends?
Sometimes, but not every weekend.
Why not?
Because I also need some quiet time. During the week, I'm busy with work, so on the weekend, I like to slow down.
I understand. I usually do something similar. Saturday is for going out. Sunday is more relaxed.
That's a good balance.
On Saturday, I might meet friends for lunch. Then maybe we go shopping.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes, but I don't like crowded places.
Same. I like shopping when it's quiet.
Exactly. And on Sunday, I usually stay home for a while. I clean a little, I do some laundry, then I relax.
That sounds very normal.
It is. I like having one slow day.
Me too. Sometimes I don't even make plans.
That's my favorite kind of Sunday. You wake up, look outside, and think, maybe I'll do something later.
Exactly. And then 2 hours pass.
And you haven't done anything.
That's the best part.
Do you ever have a really busy weekend?
Yes. Sometimes I have family plans. Sometimes friends invite me somewhere.
Does that make you tired?
Sometimes, especially when I have plans both Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. Then Monday comes too quickly.
Exactly. Sunday night always feels too short.
I know that feeling. On Sunday evening, I start thinking about Monday.
Do you prepare for work?
Yes, I check my schedule, I prepare my clothes, and I pack my bag.
That's smart. It makes Monday morning easier.
Definitely. I don't want to rush on Monday.
Neither do I. That's why I like a calm Sunday evening.
What do you usually do?
I make dinner, then I watch something relaxing. Sometimes I read.
Do you go to bed early?
I try to.
That's the important word. Try.
Very funny.
I'm just saying. Okay, fair enough. What's your favorite part of the weekend?
Saturday morning.
Why?
Because I know I don't have to work. I can take my time, I can have breakfast slowly, and I don't have to check the clock.
I really like that feeling too.
What about you?
Sunday morning. It's quiet, I can drink my coffee, I can open the windows, and I don't have anywhere to hurry.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. I think that's why I like weekends. They give us time to slow down.
And do things we enjoy.
Exactly. Sometimes with friends, sometimes alone.
And sometimes with a lot of food.
You really can't leave food out of this conversation.
I could, but why would I?
Okay, Dave. Now you've made me hungry.
So what are we doing this weekend?
I think we should finally decide.
Okay, beach?
Maybe, but I want one more thing.
What?
A good breakfast before we go.
Now that's a plan I can support.
So, Dave, I guess we need to make a plan.
Yes. Let's do the beach.
Okay. What time should we leave?
Maybe around 9.
9 sounds good. Not too early.
Exactly. I still want to sleep a little longer.
I knew that was coming.
It's the weekend. I'm allowed.
Fair enough. What should we bring?
Water, sunglasses, a towel, and some food.
Snacks?
Definitely snacks.
Of course.
Maybe sandwiches too.
That sounds good. We can also bring some fruit.
Perfect.
What should we do when we get there?
First, walk along the beach, then maybe swim. After that, we can have lunch.
And then?
Relax. Listen to music, maybe take some pictures.
That sounds like a great weekend.
Yeah, nothing too complicated.
That's what I like about weekends. You don't always need a big plan.
Exactly. Sometimes the best weekends are simple. You sleep a little, you eat something good, you spend time with people you like, and you have some time for yourself.
I completely agree.
What about you? What makes a weekend really good for you?
Good food, good weather, good friends, and enough time to relax.
That's a pretty good list.
What's on your list?
Sleep, coffee, good food, and no alarms.
You really love your weekends.
I really do.
Do you think weekends should be busy?
Not too busy. I like having some plans, but I also want free time.
Same. If every hour is planned, it doesn't feel like a break.
Exactly. Sometimes I just want to wake up and decide what to do.
That's my favorite.
Maybe that's why weekends feel special.
Yes, we finally have time to slow down.
And do things we enjoy.
Like spending time with friends,
Trying new places.
eating good food.
And sleeping late.
You always come back to that.
It's important.
Okay, Dave, you win.
I'm actually excited about this weekend.
Me too. I think it'll be fun.
And next weekend, maybe we can do something different.
Like what?
Maybe go hiking?
Hiking?
Why not?
Okay, but let's do the beach first.
Deal.
And no waking up at 6.
Absolutely not.
Good.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Don't be late.
I'll try.
That's not very convincing.
I'll set 3 alarms.
Now I believe you. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.